Hello again, loves. Rebecca here. So I'm a few days late on this, but as you remember, I did make the Create That Studio design team. It is a retreat house and craft store in Louisiana. So all her links will be down below. Please check the store out, give them some love. But what I'm going to be playing with today is some Prima Spring Farmhouse goodies. So here is, boop, boop, the little Create That Studio logo, so do look for that. And let's just go through all this fun stuff that we're going to be playing with. Now this is from her shop, so all kinds of good stuff, but let's create with this and then head on over to the store and pick this up. So I've got one sheet of Basil Sunset Rose, and it's a textured cardstock. And then I have this beautiful collection that I did not open because, well, I'm weird apparently. Wanted to open it with you guys. Alright, let's tuck those under. So we're just going to go this way. We have double-sided, so this is a lovely cut apart. Okay, so it looks like we're going to get 4 sheets of each. Oh my word, am I in love. So beautiful plaid, black and white. It's almost like watercolored. And then again, the cut aparts. Then the next page is this cute little piggy and sheepy and very, very fun on a ledger. More cut aparts. See if I can stay in frame. Okay. Then next, we've got the beautiful, it's a cream tone, so I love that. Little heart, and then like a very fun background piece, and then these gold foiled rabbits with some floral. And then we have what looks to be like an old time, not old time, but like, you know, farmhouse, the old farmhouse theme with all the cross stitching. Another fun cut apart. And then we have this cut apart here. Oh, the country gentleman, and it's a little cow. And then some gold foil butterflies. It says Beautiful Life, Home, Simple Life. Okay. Then we have this beautiful background. And another cut apart. I love all the cut aparts. And that's on that. Then so that's the paper pad. Then we have this beautiful piece of cardstock. And then we have some ephemera from the Create That Studio. So very, very nicely priced, but it has all these fun little elements in here. So let's just go ahead and cut this little guy open. All right, we're gonna put him in our little bin there. So we've got a cute little rabbit. Let's see if I can get you guys closer. Oh, look at that beautiful butterfly. Some floral bits, more floral bits, a little scale, a picnic basket. That's what I'm calling it. Doesn't look like it. It's like it's a bushel of peas. Locally grown, guaranteed fresh. Sheep. Oh, I know what I'm going to do with this. Do everything with love and you will be blessed. I do believe that I have Everyday Beauty, some fabulous. So farm fresh, little house. The girls and I, a little and sign. Simply loved, loving every moment. Organic. Oh, little baby chicks. I thought it was apples. More florals. Some butterflies. Farmer's market. More greenery. I don't know. We went to a crop and there were donkeys, and it was like a little farm. So this is gonna be perfect. Come on. All right. This is how my life goes. So I'm trying to get super ahead this weekend because in a few weeks I will be on a business trip, and I will be in Germany. My husband's kind of jealous, but we're super excited for the opportunities that I'm getting. Okay. I'm just gonna set that to the side and put it in there. So it says, such a beautiful life, a little ducky, a bee, another butterfly. And then, so that was the ephemera bits, and then this is more ephemera bits. So let's just do this. So I do save those for when I take my pictures. So together is my favorite place to be. A little butterfly, a little family of bunnies. Grow old with me, the best is yet to come. A little wreath with a bee. Gather. Some floral bits. Some radishes and some turnips. That should be a bee. A butterfly and some florals. Let's stay home. Home. Homemade happiness. And a bee and a gold foil floral bit. Another, oh, beekeeping. Could always use the bee. You know, my bee. I got a pig, a cow, nest. Fun little, like, I don't know what you call that. I can't think of it. Take me home. Beautiful life. We are simply blessed. Heart and home. Milk container. A goose with some florals, some more butterflies, and another sheep. And then mushrooms. And last but not least, the fabulous Prima flowers. So we've got those to go with this. So we have all of that. So don't forget to head on over to the store. The Create That. I will have Facebook groups and everything linked down below. So check them out. Place your order. It comes super fast and it's so fabulously packaged. I had just tore it open before I decided to film. So I will see you guys later with another video. Bye.